Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download any videos from Facebook. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Facebook application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address and your password. After logging in, you will be taken into the home page, from which you can tap on the Videos tab and watch through the various different videos. Now, while you will not be able to download any live stream that is currently going on, when you come across any reels or videos that you like, then you can simply click on the three dots at the top right corner and then click on the copy link option. Now, since there is no direct option by Facebook to download your videos, there is still a save video option which will add this to your saved videos. But if you wish to download this, then you will need to use a third-party service. Search for any Facebook video download service on Google, and once you find this website, you can simply paste this link within the download box and then click on the download button. You will also be allowed to choose the video quality in most of these websites, and you can also customize some output settings. After choosing your desired quality, the video will be downloaded on your device right away. And once it is downloaded, you will find this video within your gallery. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download a video from Facebook. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.